Good morning, everyone. How are you all? So, students, I hope you all are fine. So, as you know, we are learning block number 10 laser. Okay, laser. It's mean free time. Okay, so today we are going to complete this block. So, let's finish it. And first, we will recap about this poem Laser. Okay, and this is by William Henry Davis. Done? So let's move. First, let me tell you our aim. Write a poem on a good life from their own perspective. From their own perspectives. Okay, and these are your keywords. Good life perspective. Okay, so then what does the poem Laser describe? Have you listened that poem? Lisa? If you want to listen, I can read this once again. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. It means in our so busy life, we don't have any time. We don't have a time, even a second, to spend with nature, to spend with animals. No time to see when woods we pass, where a squirrel hide their nuts in the grass. Means how many trees are there near to you and how the squirrels hide their nuts in the grass. How did you see any time, any one day in your life? Just stop your all the work and go to the garden, go to the playground and just see, observe everything in nature. It's wonderful, beautiful. Okay, this is the means of the poem. No time to see in broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies at night. And you have to spend some more time with the night. Just see all the stars in the sky. It looks really beautiful. Please have some time for that. And no time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet. This is the most beautiful line. No time to turn at beauty's glance. Beauty's glance means our nature's beauty. You have to take at least 1 minute to see it and watch her feet how they can dance. Means in our nature, every time weather is changing. Sometimes it's really hot, sometimes it brings rain, and our nature is doing like a dance, changing their steps, changing their weather, changing its weather like a dance steps. So our nature is doing like a dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile, her eyes began. A poor life, this is full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. That's why we can say we have the life. This is really poor. We have everything in our life, but we don't have a minute at least for ourselves. It means you are really poor. Please enjoy your life. Otherwise, you are alive or dead, it's equal. Okay, students, please just. Okay, students, I hope you understand. Just read the poem once again and learn. So, what can we change in the poem so that it becomes a poem that describes a good life? Okay, you have your time, just see whole poem and just think what we need to change here to make it different, make it a good poem that make us our life good. You can pause the video, you can just change. Okay, I hope you are doing well. Okay, let's move. The poem describes a poor life. It says that we have no time to appreciate nature. We can change the phrase to we have time. It was written there we have no time, but if we change it in this poem, we have time to make this poem about good life. So it will be the poem. What is this life full of leisure? We have time to stand and stare. We have time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. So here your poem is changed. Okay. And from your perspective, what makes a good life? What makes a life good? And what things do you do that make you happy? So just write your thoughts in your notebook. Otherwise, you have extra notebook. Just write about yourself. Okay, what things do you do that make you happy? Maybe someone likes dance when we are in stress, when we are mood off. We can dance. This is my choice because I love dancing. Whenever I feel something bad, I danced. Okay. So what about you? Someone can we can make feel happy when we play in the park, see a butterfly. Someone can have fun, talk to with friends, go to their homes, go out with parents, play with toys and read books. So lots of things. Everyone has a different opinion about their free time. Okay? If you don't have any work for free time, so just find your free time and do the work. So how can you use these points to write a poem about a good life? You are going to write a poem? Yes? Okay. So how will you write a poem about a good life? We can replace the things that poet thinks make a good life with what you think make a good life. Like, what is this life full of fun? We play all day under the sun. We have time to hide in the bushes, and everyone wins, no one loses. Wow, it's a wonderful poem. So, like that, you are going to also make everyone one poem. Okay, I want to check, I want to see in your notebook. No need to copy here. Okay, I told you many times, no need to copy, no need to copy from the internet also. Okay, just use your time, use your free time, take your 10-15 minutes free time and think about the poem. Got it? Okay. How is your poem similar to and different from the poem laser? Okay, when you will make the poem, just see the similarities with your poem and poem laser and the differences also. Okay, maybe like this, both the poems talk about what can make life good, and the poem Laser suggests spending time in nature to have a good life. Okay? We have written that we need time to play and spend time with friends to have a good life. The poem Laser talks about having no time to do things, while our poem talks about having the time to do them. Okay? I hope you understand about today's class. Then, one hot question is for you. What can be the title of the poem? What can be the title of the poem? My friends, maybe? My friends, if you are writing about your friends, about your free time. Okay? So now your practice work is going to start. Read poem laser once again. Complete your poem. Make your own poem also. Complete S4 page number 13 and do practice question number 5 and 7 in your notebook. Okay, so 6 number I have already given you. Write a poem. If you didn't write yesterday, you are going to write today now. Okay, and let me explain the question number 5. Nature is described as a beautiful dancer in the poem. Have a listen. When I was explaining the poem about the dancing, nature is dancing. Okay. So you are going to write how our nature's movement that you feel it is dancing. For example, the swing of trees. So just understand the question and write according to the question. Okay. Complete your work at the time. Don't left to work for the next time. Thank you. Okay. Wait a minute. Bonus question is left. Who is the writer of the poem Laser? I told you in the beginning also who is the writer of the poem Laser. And now you are going to open your Forms app, see the options and tick the correct option. Okay, students, this is your worksheet. Just complete it. And thank you. Have a good day.